Have you ever wondered how robots are finally stepping out of the factories and into our daily lives with such intelligence? It all starts with artificial intelligence, which is essentially giving these machines a brain to perceive and navigate the physical world around them. Unlike traditional robots that just follow pre-programmed loops, AI-powered machines can actually learn, adapt, and make decisions on the fly. At the core of this transformation is computer vision, which allows robots to identify objects, people, and obstacles just like a human eye. They also use advanced navigation systems to map out their surroundings and find the most efficient path to get from point A to point B without bumping into anything. In modern factories, these intelligent robots are handling everything from sorting delicate goods to assembling complex electronics with lightning speed. But it's not just about production lines, because we are seeing robots revolutionize healthcare by assisting surgeons in delivering supplies in hospitals. Even in agriculture, autonomous bots are roaming fields to precisely harvest crops or monitor plant health, which is a massive leap for farming efficiency. And if you look inside our homes, vacuuming robots are becoming significantly smarter at mapping floor plans and avoiding your pets. Perhaps the most exciting development is the rise of humanoid robots designed to interact with tools and spaces originally built for us humans. This massive shift is also creating a wave of new jobs focused on programming, maintaining, and collaborating with these high-tech machines. The future of human-robot collaboration isn't just a sci-fi dream, but a rapidly unfolding reality that will change how we work and live. If you want to stay ahead of these technological waves, make sure to subscribe and join us as we explore the future of AI together.